How to protect iPhone battery with over 80% charging limit. Guys, this is one of the best way you can protect your iPhone from overcharging by set a certain limit which you want your iPhone to get to each time you plug your charging set or your charger. So doing so is very super easy. Tap on settings button. Now under the settings button, scroll up until you get to this battery button, tap on it. Once tap on it, you have to wait a bit for this to come up, then scroll up guys until you see battery health and charging button, tap on it. So here you can see that there is not an option here to set that manually. So some iPhone has this option where you can set your charging limit manually, but in some iPhones it's not available. In that regard, go ahead and toggle off this button. To reduce battery aging, iPhone learn from your daily charging routine so it can wait till finish charging past 80% until you need it. So tap on this button guys to toggle it on. You can see that now, tap on it right away. So by doing this guys, you've been able to protect your iPhone battery from overcharging. If you get this tip guys and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.